Hello, prospective candidates. A warm welcome to you. I am Professor S. Arun Das, Department of Geography, Manasangotri, University of Mysore. I am the course coordinator of Physical Geography, Climatology and Oceanography. It is a 4-credit course for 10 weeks designed to study in 40 modules. Any university students and non-university students can take admission to this course. It is completely free for learning. Only examination fee need to be paid to get the certificate. I wish to provide a short briefing about this subject. This course is helpful to understand in general how climate and weather occurs, how cyclone occurs, how heat budget and heat balance is maintained, how ocean currents are formed and its impact on timely and untimely rainfall, how biotic and abiotic components are interdependent and function. Also, many more interesting topics are going to be covered. Overall, this course is helpful for the candidates preparing for all types of competitive examinations. Hence, I recommend you to take admission to gain knowledge and a certificate. See you soon in the course. Thank you.